Hello friends, this is Dhruvi Shah. Welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so it's early in the morning. It's already just hold on. It's 6:43 already in the morning, and today is my friend's wedding. Yes, and the second thing that if you guys follow me, you guys already know that I am typically a proper Guju and she is a Marathi. So we friends have decided that we'll try to look like Marathi and get ready like that. So I have saw a couple of videos and thought to get ready as such Marathi look. So yes, I am just going to get ready that and I'll be vlogging this maybe. Yes, so yes, let's start with the video. Okay, before that, if you guys are wondering that where I am, yes, I am not in my room. I am at my dad's room because coloring work is going on at my home. I'll just show you the gist. घर का हालत क्या है? Wait, I'll just show you. See, टीवी यहाँ पे है, बेड पूरा भरा हुआ है, यही रूम एक खाली है. Wait, I have got my sari and makeup and everything stuff over here. Okay guys, so here I am. There might be lighting issue because mom dad के room में मैंने कभी shoot नहीं किया है, so I don't know what's the lighting thing over here, but I'll be just applying this eyes on my face. इससे ना makeup अच्छे से settle होता है, ऐसा मैंने सुना है. So let's try it out. And it even removes puffiness from your face. Since it's early morning, this is needed. The first thing I'll be applying is this sunscreen from Neutrogena Ultra Sheer, and then I'll do my hair ऐसा मैंने सोचा है. फिर makeup and then we'll wear sari. Mom is going to help me. Let's see. Yes, I know bad lighting, but have to bear with it. So okay, so I'll be just crimping my hair. I have combed my hair, and for that I'll be using this Vega 3-in-1 hair machine. I have a complete video of this as well, link given in the description box. In case you're interested, you can just go and watch that. And if you crimp your hair before any hairstyle, it makes your hairstyle look more nice and elegant. Okay guys, so I think it is visible and I have done the crimping. Here it is mirror, that's why बहुत सारा mess है already. Okay, so we'll start with the bun. मैंने videos देखा तो उसमें से कर लेंगे. We'll take help of mummy. My mummy is here. Okay, so for bun I'll be using this donut rubber and the normal tie. Guys, this is the sari shaper which I am going to wear below sari. This is really good and very useful for young girls. Tummy nahi dikhta hai. Okay guys, all set and I have Chintan, my friend over here, and
hi.
Okay, so yes, I haven't vlogged much because late ho gaya tha. He was waiting there since 10 minutes, 5 minutes.
15-20 minutes?
No, not 15. 5 minutes था इसे. Okay, 5 minutes only. So we are picking up more two 2-3 friends on the way and going. So I'll just show my OTD and everything once I reach over there, hopefully.
તારું સીટ બેલ્ટ નો અવાજ આવે છે.
હા, it's a seat belt voice because I haven't worn. I'll wear it right away. Okay guys, that's Komal. You can see her. She's also looking very pretty. Yes. Okay, so ये nose वाला I forgot to wore. Not forgot, like she was going to get it for me. So I'll be wearing this. इसको right side पहनते हैं, left side पहनते हैं? Left side पहनते हैं. And मैंने अभी nail paint लगाया है. तो थोड़ा रुक जाओ. क्या कर रही है कोमल? वो I'm just trying to be comfortable. This is looking very pretty, nice. वो पहनती है you start looking like Maharashtrian. हाँ ना? This and ये बिंदी, दो ही चीज है. हाँ. Thank you.
પડ से हो लो.
Thank you, Chintan. Thank you, Chintan. Okay, guys. So we were very hungry. Komal was very hungry. बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लगी थी. We woke up early and got ready. So उसमें खाना ही भूल गए. All of us. So yeah. Thanks, Chintan. वो जाके लेके आया specially. Almost there. This happens when we regularly don't wear sarees. Komal, just lipstick and hair. Okay, मुझे सिंगार नहीं आता है.
एक बार टाइम कैसे जा रहा है वो भी तो देखो 12 बज गए.
ऐसे ही होता है. पूजा, level of nervousness
0.
बोल.
जस्ट स्माइल कर. देखो मुझे तैयारी करने नहीं मिलता है. ऐसे ही होता है.
हाँ.
सब करो मत करो. नहीं शादी करो कोर्ट मैरिज करो. बेस्ट है. ये अपना कब से चल रहा है. पूजा अपना प्रॉपर करवा लेना. सब प्रॉपर करवा के हमको बोलते हैं कोर्ट मैरिज करो.
कोर्ट मैरिज. हाँ आज
ये क्या ना ये हालत ना होना तुम्हारी.
नहीं ऐसे नहीं बोलेगी कि टाइम बफर रखो ज्यादा.
हम 2 दिन
ऐसे बोल रही है. हाँ ऐसे.
हाँ एक्चुअली हमारे इधर 2 दिन ऐसे भी होती है. 2 दिन अलग-अलग दिन शादी करेंगे. अलग-अलग लोग से. हमारे साथ शादी अलग-अलग लोग अलग-अलग लोग. क्या लोग
देख रहे हो इस चेहरे को. देखो ये क्या बोल रही है.
2 दुल्हा 2 लोग.
Guys, it's just a joke. Don't take it seriously. हम लोग सबका बाकी है अभी. ये है. ये हो रही है. अभी खाने जा रहे हैं। पूजा मैरिड है अभी।
हाँ यार मैरिड लग तो नहीं रहा इतना क्विक हुआ सर।
हाँ नहीं, लेकिन अभी हो गया, मैरिज हो गया तेरा
हो गया यार फाइनली।
फाइनली। और ये चिंतन को ही देख लो भाई। Okay guys, okay guys, having ice cream like end of the day. बहुत मजा आया पूजा की शादी में। हाँ क्या? बहुत मजा आया, बहुत ज़्यादा मजा आया। पर भूख लगी अभी भी। थक गए।
शादी में भरपेट खाना खाया।
हाँ इसने बहुत ज़्यादा खाना खाया है, सबसे ज़्यादा। Anyways,
इसलिए छाछ लिया आइसक्रीम।
हाँ।
आइसक्रीम की जगह इसके लिए छाछ लिया।
okay, so it's already 6:15 and we left by 8 o'clock.
5 o'clock। अच्छा लेफ्ट।
अरे नहीं, घर से
वो मैं तो 7:30 बजे निकला हूँ घर से। 7:30 पौने 8
8 o'clock है ना कोमल?
हाँ 8 o'clock।
8 o'clock.
We are very tired now।
Yes, very tired.
हमारे पैर दबाते घर जाने के बाद बस।
वही कसर रह गई है अभी नहीं।
Okay, I'll end my vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Do hit like to this video and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. See you in next video. Bye bye.
आओ जो जय श्री कृष्ण।